Good morning, students. Okay, so please see today's revision chapter is trigonometry. Okay, so in this particular chapter, first one is trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. This is one of the important things. So suppose we have given a triangle in which B is right angle. Okay. So in this right angle triangle, theta is supposed to be angle of consideration. What it is? Angle of consideration which you consider. This is angle of consideration. Okay? And this is 90 degree. Clear? Side opposite to 90 degree is what? Hypotenuse. Okay? And side opposite to the angle of consideration is known as perpendicular. Clear? This is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. Okay? And some students have a problem that sometimes angle sin A. Okay? Sometimes this trigonometric ratio sin A. Then if you consider angle A, then hypotenuse remains same, but perpendicular is changed. Perpendicular is changed. This is perpendicular for angle C, but this is perpendicular for angle A. Clear? So this is trigonometric ratios. There are 6 trigonometric ratios which you know very well. One, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and etc. Okay? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. And you know very well, this sin and cosec are reciprocal to each other. Reciprocal to each other. Cos and tan, sec are reciprocal to each other. Tan and cot are reciprocal to each other. And you know, sin theta is what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This is base upon, this is perpendicular upon base, and just reciprocal of these three. This sin theta, then this cosec theta is hypotenuse of upon perpendicular. Sec theta is h by b, and this is b by p, base upon perpendicular. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios. As you know, sin theta and cosec theta are reciprocal. So we can write sin theta is 1 upon cosec theta. Clear? Sin theta is 1 upon cosec. In sometimes, some identities have sin theta into cosec theta, then you can write directly 1. Sin theta into cosec theta कहीं पे मिल गया तो क्या लिखेंगे उसको? 1 लिखेंगे. Okay? Similarly, if you get cos theta and sec theta, this is 1 upon sec theta. So cos theta into sec theta, this is also 1. Similarly, tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta. So tan theta into cot theta is what? This is also 1. Clear? So these are reciprocal, and this is also an identity, you can see. Clear? Sometimes sin theta into cosec theta is directly put 1. Okay? Cosec theta, sec theta into cos theta, this is 1. Tan theta into cot theta कहीं पे भी मिल जाए 1 put करो. Clear? And now one more relation is there, tan theta, and you know that this is sin theta by cos theta, and you also see this one is also sec theta upon cosec theta also. Clear? Because when we solve some identities, then sometimes sec theta upon cosec theta. So directly you can write one tan theta is, है ना? जैसे tan theta को हम sin theta upon cos theta लिखते हैं, वैसे ही tan theta को sec theta upon cosec theta भी लिखते हैं. This is also a formula. Clear? You need to write this one or leave it. It is written in book. Okay? You just understand because revision class, no? So you just see. Okay? Now. So this one is completed trigonometric ratios. Okay. Now in the half yearly, we had to give. I have given a question you that find the trigonometric ratios of 45 degree geometrically. So many students are confused. This is a question. So from which book? So this is from NCERT only. Okay. Trigonometric ratios of specific angle. Trigonometric ratios of specific angle and specific angle. Okay. What? 30 degree, 60 degree and 45 डिग्री, 0 डिग्री, 90 डिग्री, है ना, ये सब था. हमने आपको क्या दिया था? 45 का दिया था. तो सबके लिए सेम प्रोसेस. 30 60 का सेम निकलता है एक ही ट्रायंगल से, है ना, बट 45 के लिए आपको दूसरा ट्रायंगल बनाना पड़ेगा. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू सी 30 एंड 60 डिग्री. सो फॉर 30 एंड 60 डिग्री दिस इज वेरी इजी. यू कंसिडर अ ट्रायंगल, इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल ले लेना बेटा, whose side is A, B, C. Only you understand what is geometrically trigonometric ratios of specific angle. That means this is geometrically we can prove what is the value of sin 45, what is the value of tan 45. Okay, sin 30, cos 30, है ना. So suppose to be side is A or 2A, we can consider 2A. This is easy, है ना, because 2A का आधा करेंगे, हाफ करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? A आएगा, आसान रहेगा. ठीक है ना. Being equilateral triangle, you just see AD. AD is what? Perpendicular, na? As well as bisector also. Because of being equilateral triangle, this line AD is perpendicular bisector. That means D is nothing but median. Clear? And if D is median, then this is A and this is clear. And this is 90 डिग्री, है ना. और साथ ही साथ बेटा अगर ये मीडियन है तो ये बाइसेक्टर भी है एंगल का. बीइंग इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल, ऑल एंगल्स आर 60 डिग्री. सो इफ इट इज अ बाइसेक्टर आल्सो, so this is what? 30 डिग्री and this is what? 60 डिग्री. बहुत आसान है, ध्यान से देखिए बस. आप इतना सॉल्व कर चुके कि अब ये टफ नहीं लगेगा. क्लियर. और आपको पता है ये ADB in triangle ADB, this is the right angle triangle, na. So AD square, we need to find AD square. Clear. So AD square is what? AB square minus BD square, na. You know Pythagoras very well, है ना. So AB square is 4A square minus A square. This is 3A square. So AD square is 3A square. So AD is what? Root of 3E. Root of 3. Here, root of 3. And this is root of 3E. है ना. अब इस ट्रायंगल को अगर हम थोड़ा सा कहते हैं ना, उसको मैग्नीफाई करें, अगर अलग निकाल दें, बाहर निकाल के दिखाएं आपको, तो यही तो ट्रायंगल है ना. दिस इज ऑफ 60 डिग्री, दिस इज 30 डिग्री, A, B, C. इसी को हमने क्या किया? मैग्नीफाई करके बाहर निकाला, है ना. उसको उठा के यहाँ रखे हैं. अब यहाँ पे ये 30 डिग्री और ये आपको पता है ये A होगा, ये 2A होगा, एंड दिस इज √3. Okay, if you want to find the 60 degree trigonometric ratios of 60 degree, then what you can do? Sin 60. For 60 degree, this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse, this is base. Okay, and for 30 degree, CD being perpendicular, है ना. CD क्या होगा? परपेंडिकुलर. किसके लिए? 30 डिग्री के लिए. और बाकी हाइपोटेनस सेम रहेगा, बेस बदल जाएगा. तो sin 60 निकालना चाहते हैं तो क्या होगा? परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेनस, √3A अपॉन 2A. A कैंसिल, √3/2. क्लियर है. यही तो वैल्यू होती है ना. cos 60 बेस अपॉन परपेंडिकुलर, 1 अपॉन, ऐसे ही tan 60 निकाल सकते हैं, cot 60, है ना. एवरेज trigonometric ratio of this particular 60 degree you can find. and for 30 degree base is change, perpendicular is change. If you want sin 30 के लिए perpendicular a, hypotenuse 2a, this is 1/2. क्लियर है ना? तो बेटा इसके बाद हम क्या देखेंगे? 45 डिग्री. We may erase this. So see 45 डिग्री. ये समझ में आया ना बेटा सबको? 45 डिग्री के लिए क्या करेंगे? We can consider an isosceles right angle triangle for what? 45. For finding 45, we consider an isosceles right angle triangle. Why? Because isosceles right angle triangle, in this triangle, we have one angle is 90 degree and other two angles are 45. Okay, so we can consider an isosceles right angle triangle. This is so easy. So this is 90, ये side A, ये side A, ये 45, ये 45. How will this is 45 because of isosceles triangle. Isosceles दोनों side equal है. Side opposite to the equal angle are equal, है ना? तो आप उससे निकालो तो 45 आएगा. और A ये कंसिडर किया है साइड आइसोसेलेस में, जो दोनों साइड इक्वल है उसको A कंसिडर किया है, तो हाइपोटेनस क्या हो जाएगा? √2a होगा. 2a कौन बोल रहा है? √2a. क्लियर? एंड देन सिंपली यू फाइंड. इसमें किसी को भी लीजिए आप, तो कोई भी हाइपोटेनस ले जाए, मतलब बेस हो जाएगा, कोई भी परपेंडिकुलर. तो sin 45 क्या हो जाएगा? sin 45 इज a upon √2a. a cancelled out. sin 45 is 1/2. क्लियर है? इस तरह से आप स्पेसिफिक एंगल का भी पढ़ेंगे. ठीक, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल का भी पढ़ा दिया जाएगा, मतलब रिवीजन करा देंगे अगर अगले दिन क्लास में. और कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल का भी होता है, तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री वाला इस बार सिलेबस से हटा है, लेकिन फिर भी हम बताएंगे आपको. ठीक है ना? क्योंकि सारी चीज़ें पढ़ी जाए तो ज़्यादा अच्छा है. थैंक यू.